Good morning, guys. Here's an update of the vegetables in my garden. Dinosaur kale, garlic, the Chinese or Napa cabbage, onions. The ones at the back are the broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, radishes, kale. I have a video of this when I planted them. These are turnips, and I think they were 5 or 6, and they were dying. The color was yellow, the tiniest among the plants, and look at them now. I think one perished, which I planted that side. The rest, but there's still a cutie one, but at least it's green. The fertilizer I used to turn these turnip plants around was the fish fertilizer. Some of the kohlrabi's flowers have turned into seed pods. The cilantros were transplanted yesterday because they were in groups so tight to each other, so I separate them, and after which I watered, and today I gave them the fish fertilizer. Radishes, onions, Chinese cabbage, asparagus patch. I already made a video of 6 pint-sized jars of pickled asparagus. Not bad. Volunteer cosmos. These are the red or ruby colored cauliflower. Broccoli. Gosh, I need to treat this plant. Is it that aphids? That one also. These are bok choy. Swiss chard. Chinese cabbage. Alaska peas, arugula, dinosaur kale, Alaska peas, my brassicas. I have some kale between these brassicas and onions also. More brassicas, garlic. I'm so glad the potatoes are starting to form tubers. Broccoli, my red lettuce, Brussels sprouts, beets, cabbage. I think this is the watermelon radish, cauliflower. This Swiss chard is so big. I use it in my noodles. and soups. My dwarf tomato. Got mint. And this one we see it's now it's everywhere in my garden. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a great day.